I am chopping the vegetables. I am chopping the vegetables. She is boiling the water. She is boiling the water. They are baking a cake. They are baking a cake. He is grilling the chicken. He is grilling the chicken. We are making dinner. We are making dinner. You are frying the eggs. You are frying the eggs. I am slicing the bread. I am slicing the bread. She is stirring the soup. She is stirring the soup. They are peeling the potatoes. They are peeling the potatoes. He is roasting the turkey. He is roasting the turkey. We are marinating the meat. We are marinating the meat. You are measuring the ingredients. You are measuring the ingredients. I am mixing the batter. I am mixing the batter. She is dicing the onions. She is dicing the onions. They are sautéing the mushrooms. They are sautéing the mushrooms. He is blending the smoothie. He is blending the smoothie. We are setting the table. We are setting the table. You are preheating the oven. You are preheating the oven. I am simmering the sauce. I am simmering the sauce. She is kneading the dough. She is kneading the dough. They are garnishing the dish. They are garnishing the dish.